everyone, my name is Nabila Amalia from class 11 Tjkt 1, option number 25. How to make crimping cable cross. Meaning of cross cable. Cross cable are cables that function to connect the some device directly. This cable has a different color ornament at each end. Tools and material 1. UTP cable 2. RG45 connector 3. Crimping tool 4. Line tester. Tutorial for making cross cable. Take the cable and approximately 2 cm from the end of the UTP cable. Find the standard, straighten and arrange the colored wires according to the diagram. Insert and turn the RG45 connector. Insert the standard and turn the connector until the ends touch the inside. Ensure the power order is correct. Crimping. Use the crimping tool to press the connector if the cable is firmly clamped. Uncable color sequence cross type N1. Wet orange, wet green blue, wet blue green, wet brown brown. Uncable color sequence cross type N2. White green green, white orange blue, white blue orange, white brown brown.